When recovering from an injury or a medical condition, there is no better place to do so than your own home, right? Here to tell us about what Home Rehab Express can do for you or a loved one is Marcos Porras, the owner of Home Rehab Express and physical therapist. And joining him this morning is Dr. Andrew Bellis from the Orthopedic Center of Florida. Good morning. Welcome back to both of you. Glad to have you here again this morning.
Thank you.
Talk about what kind of services, again, that it is that you guys are able to offer, because it is a lot, and it is so nice that these services you're able to bring to their own home.
Yes. We are a home care agency that basically provides ancillary services such as nursing, occupational therapy, physical therapy in the patient's home.
Oh, what a blessing that is. And talk about, again, your partnership with Dr. Bellis here this morning and why you guys are able to work together so well.
We are basically the boots on the ground as far as being in the patient's home for Dr. Bellis's patients.
Yeah.
With an arrangement of different diagnoses that, whatever needs to be treated.
This morning, doctor, we're going to talk about ankle instability, which is this pretty common? A lot of people are having to deal with this after a sprain or...
Exactly. First, it may start off as an ankle sprain, and sometimes if it's not treated properly, it could lead into other problems down the road. Most ankle sprains can heal on their own, but sometimes they don't heal with enough stability or strength. So adding a course of physical therapy, whether it's in the home or as an outpatient, is very important after an acute ankle sprain. But if these things go on to be chronically unstable, they can cause ankle pain, swelling, arthritis, and chronic feeling of weakness giving way. And that's where sometimes surgery may be required to fix these problems. And certainly after a surgical procedure, we're going to use physical therapy, starting off in the home and potentially moving it to an outpatient facility as well.
Talk about the benefits, of being able to heal at home, being able to do, the physical therapy at home. Do you see that there are a lot of added benefits with being able to do it in your own home?
Yes. Frequently, there's new procedures out there now that if a patient does require surgery, there's a minimal procedures that we can do which will allow for therapy to get started a lot quicker, even in the patient's home. And using therapists as well as nursing care, they can do things that we can't do it initially. Like, for instance, they could take stitches out. They can check on patients' care.
Oh, wow.
They can follow up with patients in their home to see how they're feeling, how they're doing. They can do techniques to improve swelling and pain, and this is really what's a nice complement at adding to a more modern, comprehensive care of the patient.
And I'd imagine this is a story that you hear over and over again, because this is just one of the doctors that says, yes, being able to do this at home. Is that what you see a lot? Are these a lot of the stories that you're hearing?
Yeah, basically it's the simplest thing sometimes of moving a coffee table to gain access to a chair that they don't see, allows us to have a better understanding.
The benefits seem endless, again, of being able. I think we all, if we had a choice, we'd like to be able to do that at home. Well, if anyone wants to find out more about Home Rehab Express, I know you guys have a great website. Would that be the first place to kind of start and figure out what it is that you guys offer?
It's simply homerehabexpress.com.
Easy enough. Well, Doctor and Marcos, thank you both so much for being here this morning. Thank you for the services that you provide here in Southwest Florida, and we look forward to having you back. For more info, you can also just head to our website, fox4morningblend.com.